Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to my YouTube channel BRIGHTWAY Online Education. Here is our topic is about real-time feedback and adaptive curricular. Intelligent feedback, adaptive learning, continuous improvement. Here are 3 points here. AI powered system provide real-time personalized feedback to students on their performance and progress. Adaptive learning, curricular dynamically adjust based on student needs, pacing and comprehension levels. Continuous improvement, here's data driven insights help educators refine and optimize teaching methods over time. And next is intelligent tutoring systems, personalized guidance, real time feedback, scalable support, enhanced engagement. Here are 4 points that describe intelligence in tutoring system. Intelligent tutoring system use AI to provide personalized adaptive learning experiences tailored to each student's needs and progress. Next, real-time feedback. These systems offer immediate feedback and guidance, helping students identifying and address knowledge gaps in real time. Scalable support. Intelligent tutors can provide one-on-one attention at scale, supporting large numbers of students without sacrificing quality. Enhanced engagement. By creating an interactive, responsive learning environment, intelligent tutors can increase student engagement and motivation. And next is enhancing accessibility and inclusive learning environments. Assistive technologies, adaptive instructions. Here are 3 points that describe the accessibility and inclusivity. First point is AI powered tools can create more accessible and inclusive classrooms, enabling students with diverse needs to fully participate and thrive. Second point is AI driven assistive technologies like screen readers, speech to text, and adaptive interfaces empower students with disability to overcome learning barriers. Adaptive instructions is third point. AI can personalize lesson plans and teaching methods to cater to the unique needs and learning styles of each student. And next is AI driven administrative efficiencies. Here are 3 points that describe the AI driven administrative automated scheduling. AI can optimize class schedules, room bookings, and faculty assignments to maximize efficiency. Second point is AI can automate the analysis and categorization of student records, transcripts, and other administrative documents. Data-driven insights, AI-powered analysis can provide administrators with real-time insights to inform strategic decision making. And next is the future of AI in education, opportunities and implications. AI is poised to revolutionize education, offering personalized learning, enhanced accessibility, and administrative efficiencies. However, its widespread adoption raises ethical concerns around privacy, bias, and the evolving role of the teachers. And now my topic is end. Keep watching my videos and share with your friends. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube